Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you today to unbox these Fenty orders that I just received so we can share, and I want to let you know that I did make a Sephora order this morning and a Fenty order. Fenty today came out with a copper line for body shimmer to get ready for summer. That's not my jam, body stuff, maybe more around here, but this looked like for you younger ones who are doing the bikinis and just want to glow or glow at night at the parties and when I'm asleep. So I passed on that. However, I did learn on the Fenty site that on 17 April they are releasing new cheek colors. So cheek colors excite me, like anything for cheeks excites me. If you haven't used their matchsticks, give them a try. I have a collection and they're magnetic and they kind of stick together, so you can keep your matchsticks all linked up and together and don't lose any. Those are great for contouring, coloring in your cheeks. The one I bought today was a new one and it is a highlighter style. So this matchstick thing is a thing. I'm back. I have my reading glasses, but I don't want to wear them while I'm talking to you because my light shows up in them, so I'll use them if I have to read any of these papers, because sometimes I order things and then I forget what I have, and legit I just pop these open and I haven't looked in them, so I'm not sure what's in each box. But let's go ahead and unbox the first one. Oh yes, I did. This is what I love getting. I love collecting these, so I don't have to buy full size, but it's the eyeshadow primer, and that's what I chose to get at my checkout to redeem some of my points. So you know the matte filter is working great. I love it. So the matte primer and then the matte foundation, it's a perfect combination, and my face doesn't feel dried out. And mind you, I do have normal skin. I do get occasional breakouts at my big age, but I have normal skin. So I kind of go crazy on my face. That's why I'm kind of, I don't know, if I came on here and did makeup, y'all would be like, girl, what are you doing? Because I just kind of throw the kitchen sink at my face, whatever I'm feeling that day. So I need different things to choose from. Today I'm going to do this, today I'm going to do that, today I'm going to put powder on it, today I'm not. I'm just crazy with it. So if you want to see my crazy different routine and what I'm feeling that day, let me know below and I will make your wish come true and y'all can laugh at me. This is what the 330 looks like. I'm still trying to find my perfect lash. My problem is I have curly, tight, curly, thick lashes. Like when I was a baby, my mom said I would cry and then my lashes would kind of clump in little sections together, and that is my biggest problem when I am applying lashes. I love Lilly Lashes as well, and I'm trying to find the right Lilly lash set that I can work with. But this is what they look like. See that? So that looks like something I can work with. Contour brush, but you can never have too many of these. On to box number 2. I'm so happy that my husband gives me zero issues on my makeup. And now that we're all stuck at home, it's a great time to play with makeup, right? So here's box 2. This one is a bay one too. A side. Oh, here it is. It looks a little similar, but a little bit not. And colored liner is fun. So for the final box, you know this makes me sad because I can unbox Sephora all day. So I got the foot mask because if you follow my channel, we are DIY with our nails. So we also do our own pedis. Like sometimes I will go to the salon because I want the pampering. But we do our own pedis or foot care in between pedicure or foot care. So when I'm not like soaking my feet, I get out of a shower and dry off, and I make sure I moisturize and put some socks on for sleeping. Is the Sephora Almond Foot Mask. Oops. You can see I got a lot because I wanted to share them with my husband because he's into foot care as well. Nobody wants crusty feet on him in the bed. So yeah, thank you for watching my unboxing. I will continue to order as long as they continue to deliver. I have a problem, but I embrace it. Thank you for your support. If you support me and my problem, please comment below. If you like this video and what I bought, please hit like and also subscribe so you can see what I bought next. But yeah, check out the nail video too. I will attach it in this video for you to see, so you can do your nails at home. All you need to do is order some products and you'll be on your way at least to getting doing a gel set on your natural nails or doing acrylic with gel. If there's something else you want to know that my daughter and I DIY, let me know and I will do a video. So thanks. See you next time.